In this video, I'm going to share with you exciting information about Guaiacwood essential oil. It is so good for grounding, stabilizing, immunity, respiratory, muscles and joints, and so much more. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
I had never heard of Guaiacwood before last year, and now I love Guaiacwood essential oil. Heck, it took me a while to learn to pronounce it. Did you know that one piece of Guaiacwood will burn all night? It's an incredibly hard wood. When cut, there is a purple hue to the wood until it dries out. Guaiacwood has been used for centuries in meditation practices and wellness ceremonies by Native Americans. It's made up of 90% sesquiterpenes, which is huge and unlike any other essential oil. Sesquiterpenes are grounding and stabilizing. Looking at the emotional side of Guaiacwood from the Essential Emotions book, it is the oil of self-discovery and alignment. It is especially beneficial when individuals are feeling overwhelmed, confused, or have lost part of themselves somehow. Guaiacwood is often used in perfumery and skincare products, steam distilled from the heartwood of the tree. Guaiacwood essential oil has an earthy, grounding aroma with subtle sweetness and rose undertones. Guaiacwood can be used both topically and aromatically. Its woodsy scent provides a calming, tranquil, and grounding atmosphere. Guaiacwood is also known as holy wood or Palo Santo. Most guaiacwood on the market is either synthetic or not sustainably sourced. Our pure guaiacwood essential oil is sustainably and ethically sourced from Paraguay. Working with our sourcing partners, we're changing the future of the at-risk Gran Chaco Forest, one of the most biologically diverse areas in the world. Fun fact, Guaiacwood essential oil is very thick, one of the only essential oils that will nearly solidify. Wow! Our guaiacwood is pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil for convenient use and application. So how do you use guaiacwood? With 90% sesquiterpenes, guaiacwood is grounding and stabilizing. It's a superhero. It promotes tranquil atmosphere anytime. You'll love it during meditation and yoga. It's the oil of self-discovery. It's pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil to apply to soothe minor skin irritations and support the skin's natural hydration. Studies show it has anti-inflammatory properties and is commonly used for joint and muscle pains, as well as arthritis, gout, and rheumatism. The oil is also used to scavenge free radicals and stimulate lymphatic system to fight infection and support immune system. Guaiacwood is recommended for boosting respiratory health and to soothe the feeling of a sore throat and laryngitis. Aromatically, the oil is used to ease stress. Historically, guaiacwood was used during meditation and spiritual practices, and it is a powerful aid in balancing and grounding. Diffused throughout the day alone or blended with other oils to add depth and grounding. Guaiacwood essential oil is a natural perfumer's delight. It's highly recommended when looking for an economical base note with panache. Bonus: some people use guaiacwood as an aphrodisiac. The beauty of guaiacwood essential oil is when you blend it in a diffuser or a natural perfume. I'm obsessed with adding it to diffuser blends, whether it's with other single oils or one of our exquisite oil blends. So how do you decide what to blend with guaiacwood? It is considered a base note, so it is the heavy, rounding part of a diffuser blend or natural perfume that brings depth to the blend, like a bass player brings depth to the music. So open bottles of oil to simply smell with Guaiacwood. I love Guaiacwood and wild orange to add brightness, uplifting, and refreshing qualities that make us feel happy. So combine that with the grounding of Guaiacwood. It's autumn season, so I've been enjoying Guaiacwood with cinnamon, cardamom, or you could blend Guaiacwood with our harvest spice. I love Spanish sage, which helps with mental clarity. So in my office, I diffuse Guaiacwood and Spanish sage for grounding and clarity. If you're into natural perfumes, combine Guaiacwood with a couple of citrus oils, Madagascar vanilla, and a bit of frankincense. It's oh so good. When you play around with combinations, remember to add your combo to your evening bath with Epsom salts and soak away. As I promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional link to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I am so grateful you're here. If you could relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found value in the information, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell or whatever it is for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backwards and live younger longer. Take good care.